Good evening, YouTubers. I got a few minutes of daylight left and I got one more this weather stripping to put on the garage. And this cuts pretty easy with a razor knife. That's what I use to get through it. And you just, score it and work your blade down several times. It snaps pretty clean. So I got to put the last piece on and then go walk the dogs. And not fall off the ladder while I'm at it. I'm using the same screws I used on the steel roofing because they sink in deep to the wood. Crying out, is it going forward? Yeah. Get in there, bastard. Son of a bitch. I gotta get up here and put more force where it's needed. More power. Ah, you bastard. These are supposed to be self-tapping screws. That one ain't tapping it. We'll get a fresh one. All right, screw number one. And I'm trying to push this in. Use my drill for measuring device. All right, I'm loving that. I'm trying to line them up on the bottom, center of the bottom panel, or the bottom edge of the panel. Too deep, too much pressure. I don't want to squash it and break it. Now the other ones I get from the ground. Readjust the camera lens here. Give you a better look-see. Come on, dog. Don't mess with. Don't mess with this photo shot, dog. You got your runner chain stuck here. Get over there. Get over there. Stay over there. Okay. Yeah, now I can get some force behind it. Trying for the center of the bottom panel, about the same distance in. Two more to go. Well, the buffalo snow shouldn't blow in there. What goes up must come down. Yeah, I'm loving it. Love it when a plan comes together. Plenty of room for the work truck. Got my lift mounted up there secure. Got to get the wiring out here before we hook that up. Got to hook that to the Wi-Fi and a bunch of other baloney. I may have to get a tech guy in here for that project. You're not my tech guy. No. God bless the YouTubers. I got to walk the dogs.